In this video, you'll learn how to find and manage guest records in Venue Manager. We'll start with Global Search, then move to the All Guests list, where you can review guest details and history. From there, you can filter and export guest data, apply guest flags, and update or merge guest records. Global Search helps you find bookings, guests, or members from anywhere in Venue Manager. Open the Search panel, choose the record type you need, then start typing to see results as you go. For guests, you can search by name, phone number, or email. For bookings and members, select the relevant record type first, then search using the details shown in the search panel. When you see multiple similar results, use the status indicators in the results list to confirm you are selecting the correct record. To browse and manage guest records, go to Guests, then All Guests. This list helps you quickly locate a guest, review key details at a glance, and open the guest profile for a full history. Use the search fields at the top of the list to narrow results by name or email, then open the guest record. From the guest profile, you can review their contact details and see their history across bookings, items, and waivers. Use the tabs to review the guest record. Details shows contact information you can update. Bookings shows bookings linked to this guest record. Items shows tickets or items linked to the guest. Waivers shows waiver information where available. The activity stream on the right provides a timeline of key events related to the guest. You can also filter guest records to focus on specific groups. For example, guests with a specific flag type. When you need a copy of guest data outside Venue Manager, you can export guest records as a CSV file from the All Guests list. Guest flags help your team record and share important information about a guest. From the guest profile, use the flag menu to apply a flag, such as VIP, medical, alert, or competency. Add comments to provide clear instructions for staff. If needed, set an expiry date so the flag automatically expires on the date you choose. Flags are visible to staff in Venue Manager and POS, but guests cannot see them. If you need to identify a guest you want to block, apply the ban flag. Ban flags require the correct permission, so not every staff member will be able to assign or update them. When a banned guest books online using an email address or phone number that matches their guest record, an alert is sent to the Activity Center so your team can review the booking and decide what action to take. You can also configure POS settings to require manager approval before staff redeem tickets for banned guests. To update guest information, edit the guest record. From the guest profile, update fields like name, email, or phone number, then save your changes. Keeping guest details accurate helps reduce duplicate records and improves search results. When a guest makes their first booking at your venue, Roller creates a new guest record using that email address. This email acts as the unique identifier for their record. When they book with this email in the future, the booking is automatically associated with their guest record. If they use a different email address, however, a new guest record will be created. If the same guest has multiple records, you can merge duplicates so their history stays in one place. From All Guests, open the Options menu for the guest record you want to keep, then select Merge. Search for the second record to merge. If there are conflicting fields, review each highlighted field and choose which details to keep. Once you confirm the merge, the action cannot be reversed. You now know how to find guest, booking, and membership records using Global Search. You can use the All Guests list to review guest details and history, filter and export guest data, apply and manage guest flags, including bans, and keep guest records accurate by editing or merging duplicates.